In today's Clean Talk, we're going to talk about different cloths that you can use. If possible, avoid the inclination to just use regular old rags to clean with. Some of the downsides to these are washing them becomes very costly, especially because they can only be washed so many times before you have to replace them. Many people just buy the old rags in a box and use them. Also, rags can hang on to bacteria, but also if I wipe something here and then turn around and wipe something here with it, this will transfer bacteria from one surface to the other. And it's also hard to distinguish between one rag to another. By using microfiber, such as this right here, the microfiber will actually grab on the bacteria and hold it. So as I wipe with something here and then go to wipe with the surface there, it's going to actually protect that surface and minimize the amount of bacteria transference. Also, using two different colors, such as red for a bathroom and green for a common area, will prevent the inevitable of, if they're not marked, of accidental cross-contamination, or using a bathroom rag in a non-bathroom area that has been used in a bathroom. A little tip I've learned when using these is to fold it in half and then fold it in half once more, and then using this side of it and then using the other side. And then by folding it in half the other direction, I've exposed two new sides. And then after I've used all those, I can fold it again the other direction and expose four more, 1, 2, 3, 4 more fresh sides. So if you fold the cloth, you can actually get 8 usable sides for wiping surfaces down with. So, today's Clean Talk and review: use 2 different microfiber cloth colors if possible. One for red, usually for bathrooms or locker rooms and things like that, and green for common areas or kitchenettes or things of that nature to prevent cross-contamination. Also, fold it in half twice to give you 4 fresh sides, or to give you 8 actually, sides that you're able to use throughout a shift. Thanks.